Welcome to Institute of Quality and Reliability. Hi, this is Hemant. We recommend that viewers should see our previous 3 videos before watching this video. DOE 1 was about Introduction to the Design of Experiments. In DOE 2, we explained a case study in application of design of experiment to spot welding process, and in DOE 3, we discussed about converting coded and uncoded data and establishing regression equation. In this video, we will discuss a case study in application of design of experiments to maximize fatigue strength of a crankshaft. We will use Sigma Excel template to analyze the experimental data. We will consider an example of an experiment to maximize fatigue strength of a crankshaft. Crankshaft usually fail at the fillet radius, as this is the most vulnerable area which experiences cyclic stresses resulting in fatigue failures. Thus, it is necessary to optimize design parameters to maximize fatigue strength. 3 factors are identified by the design team. 1. Fillet radius, the low level 6 mm and high level 8 mm. Case depth, low level 1 mm, high level 2 mm. And third factor, surface roughness, low level 0.2 and high level 0.4 microns. The design is replicated 3 times to provide enough sample size and power. There are 3 factors and each factor is at 2 levels. Thus, single replicate of the experiment will have 8 trials or runs. As you can see from the experimental matrix, for each of the factor, half the runs are at low level and half the remaining runs are at high level. This is the data of the 3 replicates of the experiment. Response is million cycles to failure. Thus, we need to maximize the cycles to fail, which represents the fatigue strength of the crankshaft. Caution: while the data is shown in standard order in this table, the actual experimental sequence should be randomized to minimize the effect of uncontrolled factors. We will use Sigma Excel software template for analysis of the experiment. Sigma Excel's 30 days trial version can be downloaded from the website shown www.sigmaexcel.com and click on the downloads and you will see the link for downloading the software. Once you download and start Sigma Excel, you will see an additional menu of Sigma Excel in the Excel software. Click on Sigma Excel, Design of Experiments, Basic DOE Templates and select 3-factor 8-run full factorial design. Once you click on that, the template will open and in the table of factors and information, enter the required information of title, date, name of the experimenter, response and a goal. Here we enter the fatigue strength of crankshaft and name of the experimenter is Hemant and response is cycles to failure and the goal is maximize. After that, enter the information about the factor names and the low and high levels of the factors in the template as shown. Radius, roughness and case depth. Radius low level 6, high level 8. Roughness low level 0.2, high level 0.4 and case depth low level 1 and high level 2. Now you need to enter the data of the 3 replicates. Data is available from the download section of our website as shown here. So you can copy the data of the 3 replicates and paste it in the template directly. As we enter the data in the table of Sigma Excel template, we can immediately see the analysis in the table if you scroll down. The calculation of effects, interactions is all completed, and the effects shown in red color are statistically significant. As we scroll down, we can see the R square value of the analysis, and the R square here is 94.26%, which shows how much variation is explained by the factors chosen in the experiment. We also see the Pareto analysis of the effects. The largest effect is of factor A, followed by C, followed by BC, and AC, B, AB and ABC are seen as not significant. We can also see analysis of the standard deviation, and we can see that none of the effects are significant for standard deviation. Now we can plot the main effect and interaction plots from Sigma Excel. Again, click on the design of experiments and the templates. Go to the template section, that is basic DOE templates, and click on the main effects and interaction plots, and you will see in a separate sheet the main effects as well as interaction plots. And you can scroll down and see the behavior of the different factors, the effects of different factors and interactions. As you can see, there is only one interaction which is strong, that is between roughness and case depth. In addition to the main effect and interaction plots of the response strength, Sigma Excel also shows effect plots of standard deviation, and you can see the effect of radius, roughness and case depth on the standard deviation from these plots. These are not significant as we have seen in the table of analysis. Now we can use the Sigma Excel template for optimization of the response. Here we want to maximize. In the table of predicted output for Y, enter the values of radius as 8, roughness as 0.2 and case depth as 2, and you can see the predicted response in Y hat as 9.133. We can use our judgment from the main effect and interaction plots what values we can put. We can change the values and see what gives us the best settings. But this is trial and error method. Instead of that, we can also use the Excel solver. For that, click on help and unprotect the worksheet. After unprotecting, you can use the Excel solver for optimization. For using solver, we insert the starting values of the factor settings, that is 6.4 and 1, which we know are not good values, and the predicted response for that is about 6. So we start with these values and go to Excel solver. So when we click on the solver, Sigma Excel has already done the choices for us, and we just have to ensure that it is maximized and then click on solve and then keep the solver solution, and you can see the solution there, that radius 8, roughness 0.2 and case depth 2 is the solution that Sigma Excel has given. In this video, we have seen how to use Sigma Excel template for analyzing an experiment. We have also seen application example of a crankshaft. The Sigma Excel template is the simplest method for analyzing experimental results. However, it has some limitations, and a better option for designing and analyzing experiments is available in Sigma Excel as well as many other software.